friends, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Andrea and today is part 1 of why families love going to Disney World water parks. Today is Blizzard Beach and I'm so excited to take you guys along with us, especially for May coming up. May is going to be starting a Cool Kids Summer where on your arrival day, if you are staying on Disney property, you get to come in for free. So this is one Disney water park that I'm going to show you. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so you'll see both. Let's go ahead and go on in. Blizzard Beach has the cutest little theming because it's like a ski resort in the middle of Florida. Very ironic nonetheless. But we're going to go ahead and go to the dressing rooms and put on our swimsuits. Right here, Annie, lost children. If you cannot find mommy, right? You go there and then you sing them our song, right? Which is my phone number, right? Perfect. Where is the first place you want to go? Frozen. The Frozen section, Tike's Peak. Frozen theme. Go ahead and get your life jacket. They're blue, yeah.
I love blue.
That's your favorite color, isn't it? Oh yes, thank you for showing us this, Annie. So Tike's Peak is for those kids that are under 48 inches, correct? So for all the slides over here, right? Thank you for that educational moment. That was very thoughtful. Thank you. Can you find a seat for us? There's so many to choose from. We got a sand moment right here. In Tike's Peak, you have 3 different slides. You've got the racer, you've got one that is just going to be on the body, and then you've got one that they can actually ride on a float. Annie's already left me. She's already here for the slides. Is it cold? Does it feel good? I think it feels awesome. Woo! Go Annie! Go Annie! Hey girly! This little toddler area has some little slides at the very, very top of Tike's Peak. Look at all that, Ann. You used to love this when you were a baby. Annie's gonna give you guys a little example. Which one are you coming down, Ann? This one? Hands up. Nice. Woo! Good job, Ann. Oh, and another one. Oh, that one's a nice slide for like little babies, right? Oh, hey, hey! Yeah, lazy river time. Do you want your own?
No, I want a 2. I want that one over there.
You want the 2 one where we can share? I think that's a great idea. Are you gonna swim after it and get it? Go, baby. Whoa. Good job.
Got it.
You do got it.
Can you help me get it?
Yeah. Here we are. Ready?
Yeah.
Are you living the life?
Maybe I want to swim.
You want to swim? Okay, remember the rules. Good job. Let mommy get up here. Okay?
Okay.
Mommy's gonna try to get up here. Oh! Gonna be a little lazy. Oh, goodness. Ah! I made it. Look at us being just so lazy. Do you love Blizzard Beach?
Yep.
Yeah, me too.
Wait, I can touch the ground.
Yeah.
I can walk.
Well, the depth is 2 feet and 6 inches, so you can walk. But I also love and prefer when you have a life jacket on, just for safety.
I'm gonna control you.
You're gonna control me?
I'm gonna control you for the whole river.
I love this. So are you gonna be my chauffeur?
Yes.
Or are you gonna be the horse to my carriage?
Yes.
Well, I think that sounds like a lovely idea. Ooh, I like those too. They're very relaxing. Oh, Miss Ma'am, who taught you to have such a good, luxurious life?
You.
Me? Thank you, ma'am. Ooh, oh no, the waterfall.
Oh yeah.
No.
Oh, big old baby.
You like the waterfall, don't you? Oh no.
I did.
Get me out of the water. No! Oh, come on. Get out of it. Oh.
Good, Mom.
Oh, we're safe. We're safe, thank goodness. This one's for babies to sit
I
on.
don't care.
Doesn't go in the water, you just sit on top.
Oh God, I'm cold.
Got it?
I'm cold.
Oh gosh, don't fall, don't fall. All right, let's go to the Ski Patrol Training Camp, Annie, which is, in your terms, the obstacle course, right?
Is that cool? Is that cool?
This is geared for preteens, but Annie is 5 and she does it. There are some things that are a little bit more difficult than others, but ultimately there are things to do for many ages. There's some slides, and what she's here for is the obstacle course, and looks like she wants to show you guys. Do you need help? There you go. There you go. Nice. If she was taller, she would be able to use these ropes, but for the smaller kids, they just do this. Go, Annie, go! There you go. That's it, that's it. Yeah. Okay, Mommy will help you. Grab my hand. Nice. Okay, let's come over to safety. Yay! You did it, Anne. Good job. That was awesome. Okay, ready? Let's go fast. Okay, ready? Hold on. All right, let's do the cool runners. You got one? Okay, Mommy's gonna get one. All right, let's go up these. Huh?
This is mine.
Yeah, I can hold yours. Come on, this way. You are being very strong.
For your safety on cool runners, please ride in a seated position. And for the comfort of our younger riders, the depth at the bottom is less than 2 feet. Have a great run.
Awesome.
Hold it on.
See you down there.
Am I going at the same time?
Yeah.
I can hold it right here.
Thanks. Ready? Go! Woo. Hey, you beat me! Good job! Second time, you're gonna do it. You're gonna do awesome. All right, let's stay behind the yellow. Here it comes. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Let me see your excited face. Good. Daddy got Daddy on the FaceTime. Okay, stay behind the yellow. Stay behind the yellow. Okay, ready? Mommy will help you. Got it? Woo! Annie! Good job! What do you think, Daddy? Daddy said it's awesome.
You can ride it.
You're on FaceTime with Daddy, aren't you?
Yeah.
And Daisy the kitty cat.
Yeah.
Whoa! Good fight! Woo! Woo! Good job! Those are some big waves, huh?
Yeah.
It's like, almost like we're at the beach. Insert drums. Perfect. Showing us the heights. Nicely done, Annie. Okay, let's do the ski lift so we can go up and ride some serious rides. Some serious slides, rather. Stand on your number.
Okay.
Perf. And we're gonna wait for our seat. Ready? Perf. Back to the theming because we're at a ski resort here in Florida. Of course, we're riding the ski lift up to the bigger slides that we are gonna go ahead and tackle. They are super fun, aren't they, Annie?
Yeah.
Yep, they are. But there are stairs if you want to do that, but we prefer the ski lift when the lines are short. And plus, it's such a nice little view. You can see the ski patrol up here. You what?
I don't like them.
Oh, you don't like the heights. Yeah, if somebody doesn't prefer heights, this is probably
I like heights.
not the best
I
option.
like heights.
Okay.
But when I come, I feel like I'm going to jerk back.
Oh, got it.
And that's why I don't like it.
Look at those people from the huge slide up there.
I know. I don't want to do it.
Well, you're not tall enough.
No. Wait, is that a belly board?
Look at that. All the way up to the top, to the tippity top. Oh, here they come. It's going to be a straight drop. Watch them come down. So fast. Holy smokes. Landed right behind the tree. That's crazy. Mommy is still yet to do that one. Even whenever I was young and before we had you, Annie. Still wouldn't do that one. Okay, wait till after the yellow. Perfect. Good job. All right, do you want to do the Teamboat Springs? Because we are now on Mount Gushmore. This right here, Teamboat Springs, is a family raft ride. It is for 3 to 5 people per tube.
I need to be right.
Okay, grab on. You gotta hold on to one of them. Yep. Yeah, there's plenty of screams coming along with this one, so be prepared. Hold on, do not let go, Annie. Here we go. Here we go. Almost to the finish line, Annie. There it is. All right. Good job. Okay, let's wait for the cast member, okay? We'll get out. Hold on, I said. Finally, we're gonna get some food in our bodies, only because Annie said she wanted cotton candy and I said she's not allowed to have sugar until she actually eats food. And then all of a sudden, mysteriously and magically, she's hungry. So she said she wanted some pizza, and this is where we're gonna get it. That says exit, so we're gonna go over here.
Pepperoni.
You want some pepperoni pizza? Okay, let's get some.
That looks so good.
Is that gonna work for you?
Yeah, you see yours.
Mmm.
Looks even gooder than mine.
It looks even better. Take a bite. Let's see what it tastes like. Give me a rating.
Hi, pizza.
All right, pizza. What do you have here? Do you need a napkin? Okay, thumbs up. 10 out of 10, 9 out of 10. What do we got here?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10 with the pizza. Nice.
So good.
I'm hungry.
Cheers.
They're literally playing Christmas music. Snow is everywhere. It's crazy. So Annie is wanting to do some really high up slides. So there are some height requirements. So let's talk a little bit about that, okay? So the green slope, you cannot do the slush gusher or the summit plummet because those are from way up there, okay?
They drop.
And they drop straight down, yep. But we did do Teamboat Springs. So we are complete in the green slope and we did the ski patrol, okay? So let's see what we can get under our belt for the purple slope.
Mom,
Hi, baby.
last time we did the purple slope.
Yeah, we've done the purple slope, so let's see what we got. Let's go take them along with us so we can show them
The purple
the purple slopes. So, like the two slides on the green slopes, they are 48-inch height requirement. There's one more, it's a double dipper on the purple slope that also have a 48 height inch requirement. So Annie, you won't be able to do that until we grow just a itsy bitsy little bit more. I know, you like the good slides, but these other ones are still fun. I love them.
Now, because you take a nap on every.
I don't take a nap. We're here to the purple slopes, Annie.
What's that one?
That one is the downhill double dipper. That one's the one that you have to be 48 inches for.
For a safe ride, lie on your stomach on the toboggan and hold on with both hands. When you reach the finish line,
Okay, get your toboggan. Okay. Got it? Perfect.
for a safe ride, lie
Yeah.
your stomach on the toboggan and hold on with both hands.
I'll give you a little.
Thank you so much. Okay, you're on number 8, Annie.
And then we go in. And can I just have you wait on your knees?
Yep, you got it. Maybe if you're nice, you can ask him for a small little boost.
Now we can go on our stomach.
You ready? Go, Annie! Go, Annie! Oh, here it comes! She's mad that she loses every time. Come on, get up. Let's do snowstormers. Go down that one. Ready? Okay. Go ahead and get one.
Have fun on the slope.
There you are. Be careful on the stairs.
Thank you.
Careful on the stairs.
Thank you. I got
Thank you.
lie on your stomach and hold on with both hands. When you reach the bottom of the slide, what number? Stairs.
What number do you want, Annie?
Current. Have a great ride.
Probably the blue.
Blue. Makes sense. That's my life joke.
Okay, stay with our friend. He's gonna help you.
For a safe ride,
Go in.
Lie on your stomach.
Oh.
Hold on with both hands.
Whoa. Woo. Woo. Oh. Oh. Blue or pink cotton candy, Annie? Blue. Yeah, I'm gonna play with my magic band. Perfect. Thank you, sir. Appreciate ya. All right, Mommy is gonna get herself a treat. Mommy wants some Joffreys. Of course I do. You think I'm easy to Frosty the Joe man cutesy. Hi, can I have the Fairy Tale Love Latte, please, without whipped cream or sprinkles?
Got it. Would you like to get that ice or hot?
Iced, please.
Anything else?
That's all.
It'll be 766.
Okay. Can I play with my magic band, please?
They're gonna be a room charge or snack plan.
Room charge.
766. Whenever it's a stop, you can top it.
Awesome. Thank you. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Oh my. This is good. Too bad I think it's only seasonal. That's sad. This is good. What a lovely time. Annie, let's go ahead and pick up your balloon from daycare because balloons are not allowed to be in Blizzard Beach. But where we're transferring, well, they have a beautiful daycare. What do you think the balloon's been doing while it's been in daycare, Annie?
Eating cake.
Eating cake? Maybe it's essentially having a party, you think? Yeah, maybe. There's your balloon. There she is. I bet she had so much fun today.
She does. She was in the AC.
Oh, good behavior?
Yeah.
Good behavior.
Those things, but yes, really good behavior, and she enjoyed the AC.
Oh, wonderful. Oh.
She flew over to animals.
Oh, flew. Okay, just to chill with the animals. I love that. Wow. Well, thank you, friends. It's been a wonderful day here at Blizzard Beach. We got a lot accomplished. And we had so much fun together. It's always a good time with Annie, and she's like a water girl. Like, she loves all the things. But anyway, we're gonna see you guys on the next one. Make sure to subscribe so you can see part 2, this balloon, part 2 of the Disney Water Park series for especially Cool Kids Summer. We'll see you on the next one at Typhoon Lagoon. Bye.
Do you believe in magic? Comes from the inside. Do you believe in magic?